Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to pay Shopify plan with PayPal. If PayPal is available as a billing method in your region, you can use your PayPal business account to pay your Shopify subscription. Before you begin, make sure you have an active Shopify store and a verified PayPal account. Keep in mind that billing options may vary depending on your country and Shopify account. Now let's get started. First, open the Shopify admin and sign into your account. Now go to Settings. Then open the Payments section. Here, make sure your PayPal business account is connected if you also want to accept PayPal payments from customers. Now select PayPal Express Checkout if it hasn't been activated already. Then click Activate. After that, you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Now sign into your PayPal business account. Then review the permissions requested by Shopify. Click Grant Permission to authorize the connection. After that, you'll be redirected back to your Shopify admin. Now click Save to complete the PayPal setup. Next, go to Settings. Then open Billing. Here, select Payment Methods or Manage Payment Method. Now choose PayPal if it's available as a billing option. Then sign in to your PayPal account and confirm the authorization. After that, save your billing changes. When your next Shopify subscription payment is due, Shopify will automatically charge your linked PayPal account. If PayPal isn't available as a billing method in your region, you'll need to use one of the other payment methods supported by Shopify for subscription charges. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.